Are you looking for the best car hair dryer cleaning? In this video we will look at some of the best car hair dryer cleaning on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Isfriday Car Wash Air Gun 130,000 Handheld Snow Removal Air Dryer Violent Fan Rotary Car Wash Air Gun Turbo Jet Fan Electric Cyclone Jet Turbo Air Dryer Brushless Lithium Hair Dryer Violent Hair Dryer DIY. The entire casing is crafted through 3D printing using an exceptionally robust PEG and carbon fiber blend, featuring meticulously laser-sealed stitching for enhanced durability. Powerful blowers, using high-power motors. The wind is strong and the wind speed is up to 200 miles per hour. It can be used for car washing, snow removal, dust blowing, etc., and has a wide range of uses. 1-button speed adjustment. Adjust the wind speed by the strength of pressing the button, easy to operate. Number 2. 1000 watts handheld car hair dryer. 1000 watts handheld car hair dryer cleaning violent air gun jet fan electric powerful snow removal dryer 70M turbine hair dryer. The brushed lithium hair dryer uses an extremely strong PEG and carbon fiber shell, made through 3D printing. This ensures that the product is durable and can withstand heavy use. Equipped with a high-power motor, this hair dryer can provide powerful airflow with wind speeds up to 200 miles per hour. It is suitable for a variety of tasks such as car washing, snow removal, dust blowing, etc., making it versatile. Suitable for make-eater lithium batteries. Batteries not included. The thrust is so high that leaves, debris, and dust tremble in the face of the ruthless wind. This brushed lithium hair dryer features powerful airflow and durable construction that can be used for a variety of tasks, making it suitable for both professional and DIY applications. It is a reliable tool for task. Number 3. Isfriday Electric Air Dryer 140,000 RPM Car Violent Blower Mini Turbo Jet Fan Brushless Motor Powerful Violent Blower Turbo Fan Handheld Electric Air Dryer. The use of high-power motor, strong wind speed up to 200 miles per hour. Can be used for car washing, snow removal, dust blowing, etc. Widely used. Turbojet fans have high energy, high-speed motors, which means that prolonged and continuous use of the product can result in excessive heat generation. We strongly recommend shortening the use time to avoid overheating. On average, it usually provides about 10-15 minutes of full load use. 1-button speed regular. Number 4. 1000 watts car wash wireless air gun 1000 watts handheld snow removal air dryer violent fan blower car wash wireless air gun turbo jet fan electric cyclone jet turbo fan. Used for various application scenarios such as vehicle cleaning and drying, picnic and barbecue, snow cleaning, industrial dust removal, etc. Type-C interface and DC fast charging interface. Turbocharged powerful motor. Our blower is equipped with ultra-high quality high-speed bearings and new CNC machine blades that generate ultra-fast pressure and speed. Experience powerful airflow for efficient cleaning and cooling tasks. Reasonable structure and powerful performance. This product adopts a high-speed 64mm brushless motor with 11-blade fan group, which has good dust removal effect and a thrust of up to 1,400 grams. Snow cleaning, air cushion inflation, rapid cooling, dust removal, yard cleaning, industrial dust removal, keyboard cleaning, car and motorcycle cleaning, car cleaning water collection, car crack cleaning, footpad debris cleaning, etc. One household, commercial, and outdoor machine to handle.